Do you get a sore back picking up with a dustpan? Stop struggling with big brooms or tackling the bulky vacuum for small spills when you can use the all-new Sweep and Keep, the quick and easy rotating rubber broom that works on hard floors and low-pile carpet to not only sweep the spills, but also collect and hold the dirt with its very own dustpan. Sweep and Keep picks up messes from rugs, carpet tiles and more. Even crushed crackers on the carpet are no match for the Sweep and Keep. Remove spills on tiles, marble and linoleum with no scuffing or scratching. The secret is in the safe and soft non-scratch rotating rubber spindle with micro-ridge flares that dislodge, grab and hold the mess in its very own rubbish compartment so you can empty straight into the bin. Plus the removable and washable microfiber cloth collects the fine dust as you go, and when it gets dirty the whole unit cleans easy under a tap. Watch this smashed light bulb. In the same time it takes you to get the dustpan and collect up the mess, the Sweep and Keep with no cords or cables has done the job safely. Pick up pasta dropped on the floor and more. Perfect for pet food spills. It even collects hundreds and thousands on the carpet. Stop struggling with the big broom, the dustpan and the vacuum and keep all your floors clean the easy way.